Hey guys, and namaste and good morning, and welcome to another part of buying an apartment in the personal blog playlist of my YouTube channel, that is Lazy Yogis. Please like and subscribe. Well, the current status is that after the letter from the notaries, I scheduled a meeting with my mortgage advisor because the mortgage process has to initiate as soon as possible. By 18 September, I am turning 35. I want to avoid paying the 2% tax, transfer tax, and then the mortgage from the bank and all those documents has to be signed, and many documentation work has to be done. So there was a meeting on 9th of August with my mortgage advisor along with my company superiors. Superiors, because I call them superiors because by age they are more experienced, and by age also they are older than me. So we are colleagues, but still then I call them superiors. Okay. There was a big meeting, and there are three mortgage structures as my mortgage advisor explained me. The first one is annuity. In annuity, there are two components in the repayments. One is the base and one is the interest. Base is the 245,000 that I am going to loan from the bank, and on the top of that I am going to pay. The current market rate is around 3.56 to 4%, varies as per the bank. So I am going to pay the interest. So in annuity, the base is less at the beginning, then it becomes more, but the interest is more in the beginning and then it becomes less. So that kind of structure. But in that is the first structure. The second structure is linear. In the linear structure, it is the base is always fixed. You always pay a fixed amount for the overall 30 years, and then the interest is more in the beginning, then less at the end. So it means that in a linear you have to pay more overall, then pay less by the end. But in annuity, your payment always remains the same. Only thing is that the tax return varies and the interest rate is tax deductible. Okay. Then the third structure of the mortgage is the interest only mortgage, where I have to pay an interest of 55,000 euros on 245 based on 3.56% interest for a period of 30 years. In the interest only structure, I have to pay 55,000 within 2 or 3 years lifespan span. Then after that I have to pay the 245,000 in one go. And also there the interest rate that the bank will be charging in this structure is less, so it is around 2.56%. We did a calculation for all the scenarios, and interest only mortgage is out of my scope because there I will not get 100% mortgage. I am going to get only 75% mortgage, something like that, and remaining I have to pay from my pocket. So that is out of my scope. Then the discussion was regarding linear and annuity. So I chose annuity structure where my monthly installments are same, because my salary is not that much big and I want to have cash every month at my disposal. So then I chose for annuity, and the interest rate that I fixed is 10 years because the interest rate is going up. I believe the interest rate is going up more in the next year because of the US-Ukraine war, because that is not going to stop, and the inflation in Netherlands is also increasing. Maybe it will slow down, but for now I think it is going up, so it's better to have a fixed interest rate. Then later I will change something, but it's okay, we'll see that. Then that is one thing. So now the 30-year mortgage, 10-year interest rate fixed, and yeah, that is my I'm going to show you the detailed breakdown of the repayments, and then you have an idea what's going on. Overall, having a mortgage advisor and having a real estate agent is very much beneficial, guys. And although I am paying 8,000 euro, but I am taking a good chunk of work from them, and then that is also benefiting me in terms of security, because as an expat, another thing that my mortgage advisor told me, that for expats, the Dutch banks do not have much confidence because our visas are valid for 5 years and then it gets renewed, but sometimes people decide to go back, so there is no guarantee. So many of the banks do not give full 100% loan, but I want 100% loan, so my options are from available 80, my options are only 4, and from that 4, ING Bank and ABN Bank are my only 2 options where I can get 100% mortgage. So though I don't carry a Dutch passport, so my options are limited as per my mortgage advisor, but it's okay. I am going to take the service of ING Bank, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let me dial into my laptop, then we will see the detailed calculations, and we'll know more about different scenarios also. Okay, stay tuned, guys. During the discussion with mortgage advisor, for house, my personal suggestion is don't be stingy. Take a real estate agent, that is the makler, and a mortgage advisor. They really bring you a lot of benefit. For example, in my case, support in the bidding, I have to do based on their intelligence. I have to do only 7% overbidding. In the current market, that is 11th August 2022, the average overbidding that goes is around 14% to 15%. That is one benefit. Second benefit, support in all the administrative works. They are taking the headache, they are doing all the calculations. You don't have to take any leave from the office. They will just ask you to sign somewhere. Okay. Third thing, you are informed about all the options available for you. For example, as an expat, I don't have much options to take loan from different banks. So I had only 4 options, and from that 100% mortgage is only given by ING and ABN Bank. So I didn't know about limited options. I thought maybe from the internet information is so biased that you shouldn't rely on that. All the interest rates are old, it's not updated properly, and based on that we might take wrong decision. So always take the support of a mortgage advisor. Though they take a fee of 2,500, it's okay. They are giving me a return of more than 10,000. In my case, the cost of the house, or the real cost of the house, is 240,000, but the evaluation report came out at 245,000. So 5,000 I am getting from the bank, and yeah, that is I'm using to pay all the fees. And also my mortgage advisors gave me a lot of scenarios which is best for me. I have selected now the ING Bank 10% annuity model and 10% fixed annuity model for paying back my mortgage, and I am getting tax benefit also. So for the first 10 years I have to pay only 800-900 euros, something like that. Then after that it is going to increase, so it's not much of a financial burden on me also. And also the current interest rate that I am taking, the mortgage is 3.56%. Maybe you guys can say that okay, you are taking on a high rate, but who knows, because of the war or something, maybe the prices are going high, so the interest rate is going high or something. So best is to, based on game theory, it's better to fix your interest rates now, because the market is kind of turbulent, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I keep a track of the market fluctuations happening. Maybe next year there is going to be an inflation or something, recession or something, and that might complicate a lot of things. So it's better that I went for this one. And ABN AMRO scenario, it is 3.66%, which I don't want. So my mortgage model, or the package that I took, is 10% fixed annuity, fixed rate, and then it's variable, and my monthly installments are fixed, and I will get a tax benefit out of it. That is it. And then coming to the insurances, my mortgage advisor also suggested me about some insurances, and for now I am into 45,000 euro mortgage, but now I have to also look for my family. So I took a life insurance, which is around 8 euros per month. Also, I took a third party liability insurance because maybe my flower vase or a solar panel from my building falls down and somebody gets hit, uh, something happens, then yeah, I don't have to pay any cash. The insurance company will consider that. And third party liability insurance, I think it's 4 euros or 5 euros, something like that, but I don't know the exact amount, but it's cheaper. So I'm taking and also on this, as I already mentioned, I'm taking a national mortgage guarantee, which is a one-time payment of 1600 euros, because 0.6% of 2000 to 245,000 is somewhat around 1600 euros. So if I lose my job, then the government is going to take care of the mortgage, and I don't have the banks are not coming directly at me to take the house in one go. So the mortgage advisor really helps you a lot, and they guide you in becoming more secure and enjoy your life further. Okay, regarding insurances I told you about, then regarding national mortgage guarantee, third party insurance, life insurance, and the current status is that my mortgage process is in progress. On 16th September I have a meeting with the notaries, and that is the date of key handover, because that day I wanted or I wished, because 18th September I'm turning 35. Then after that I have to pay 2% that transfer fee, which is around 5,000 euro. So I cordially requested them to make all the arrangements before. So it's very tight, because arranging everything, the bank guarantee, mortgage, everything within 20 days is kind of a tight scenario, but my mortgage advisor guaranteed me that he will be able to do it. So this is also one of the advantages that I have in investing in the real estate and the mortgage advisors. Overall, I think I'm satisfied with the services that they gave, and my mortgage advisor is Mais Hypotheken. If you want, then please give a comment or please ask a question. Then I will give the description and link and the person who is involved in all this help to guide you guys. And yeah, that is what I wanted to share. And further video will be on the day of the notaries. I will keep you guys informed when the bank guarantee will be submitted by 29th of August. So yeah, my mortgage advisor is doing everything on his own, and I have complete trust on him. Okay, have a nice day guys, and we'll see each other in the next video of personal vlog series and buying an apartment in the Netherlands. It's not easy, but with support it becomes easy for an expat. For Dutch people it is easy because they can understand Dutch and everything. Also to the notaries, notaries in the mail, they they advised me to take the service of a translator. So I am taking that service, which is around 300 euros. So overall my expenses will be around 8,000 max if I combine all the administrative costs, but that is okay. Also I'm getting a return, also a good return from all of this, and my headaches is also gone, and I have something concrete at the end. Okay, have a nice day guys, and we'll see each other in the next video.